Good day guys, this is John and today we'll be unboxing some speakers.
Hey, alright. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. Energize, realize, feels so good just to be alive. Time's a gift, my time is free. I can spend it on you, you can spend it on me. I can say you'll be blown away by the change you see me. And I feel alright, dance all night, put a little flavor in my life. I put the good stuff in. I put the good stuff in, yeah, yeah. I put the good stuff in, yeah, yeah. I put the good stuff in every day. I'm gonna be the best version of me. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, roar like a lion, and I ain't even trying. No, 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 no. And I can say I'll be blown away by the change you see me. And I feel alright, dance all night, put a little flavor in my life. I put the good stuff in, yes I do. Yeah, I put the good stuff in every day, every day, every day. I put the good stuff in, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. I put the good stuff in, yeah. I put the good stuff in. I put the good stuff in, yeah. I put the good stuff in. I wanna put the good stuff in. I put the good.
So this is the Edifier R1580MB. It's basically a bookshelf speaker or a speaker system with a mic input. So out of the box, we have the RCA to RCA cable. We have the RCA to 3.5mm auxiliary cable, speaker connector cable, infrared remote with cell battery included, the user manual, and of course the Edifier R1580MB speakers. So the main chassis is made of wood and the overall constructions look very sturdy with clean finishing. At the side, we have three functional knobs. The first one are for the mic volume, second one is for the music volume or the inputs, and third one and the lastly, it's the overall volume of the speaker. So the volume input knob can be pressed to toggle between the Bluetooth mode or the input mode. At the back, we have all the connectivities takes place. RCA plug for the PC and one for auxiliary. We have the mic 1 and mic 2. We have the on-off power switch. Also, we have the bass adjustment knob and two external speaker out. So the remote is pretty straightforward. It has the power on button, the volume button, one for the Bluetooth for the line for the source. It has the previews and next, the play pause button, and the mute button. So here's an example of how the speaker sounds like.
Magsinungaling ka please, di ko matitiis ang mundong ito kung di kita kasama. Pwede bang maawa ka sa'kin? Huwag mo naman diretsuhin patalim na alam kong parating.
So that's it guys, that's a quick unboxing and overview of the Edifier R1580MB. I think if you're looking for some personal speakers without breaking the bank, this is one that you might consider purchasing. It's solid, it has Bluetooth connectivity, it has a good bass, it has good high notes or tones. And yeah, I think it's overall it's a good speaker. Especially you can use the external mic inputs if you want to do some karaoke with your friends. It's also available at Lazada and ECPC where my girlfriend bought it. So you can check them out. So what do you think? Is it worth it? Is it cool? Is it something that you would like to purchase? So that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you want to. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks and God